Here I've got POPTEL P8 and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at first you have to select the language that you would like to have, simply click on the current one and choose this that you would like to have your device in. In my case it's still be English, so I will leave it this way and then click on start. Now you can insert your SIM card if you want to, but you can also do it later, and this is what I will do, so click on skip. Now you can connect to your Wi-Fi. In my case it's HardReset.Info, so the second one. You don't have to, you can also skip this step, but with the connection you will be able to log into your Google account, and with Google account you will be able to use some other features. You can also copy the data from your previous phone now if you want to, but you can also set it as a brand new one, and this is what I will do, set up as fresh new one. And now you can log in with your Google account, simply enter it here. In my case it will be email address, you can also enter phone number. And click on next. And now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. Here it is, and click on next. And it's time to come along with all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you agree with all the conditions, click on I agree. And you can also set up fingerprint now. It's a great way of protection, but you can also do it later, and this is what I will choose, so skip. You can also protect your device with pattern, PIN code, or the password, and it is also to be set up later. And also now you can meet your Google Assistant. Just click on next, read all the things, and go with the steps. If you would like to teach the assistant to recognize your voice, you can do it now, but I will cancel it. And here we've got services from Google, so as you can see, it is backup to Google Drive location and all the others, so you can switch on and off whichever you would like to have. And then by clicking the I agree button, you agree to the processing all the info included above. And now you can also add some other email if you want to, but I will not do it, so no thanks. And that's it, you've just set up your device. Congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.